How me and Kim met? It's actually a really great story. We were actually down in South America in Sucre, Bolivia. We were both backpacking, but Kim was there for his international business degree. He had to learn Spanish to get your degree, right?
Yeah,
okay.
I was learning Spanish, so I've decided to go to South America. It was much better to learn much faster than just taking regular lessons in French. We were going to the same Spanish school. We didn't have the same Spanish teacher, but we both knew one of the Spanish teacher, Bettina.
She connected us, and she said that you'll really love Kim. He's French, but he's not French.
French, but nicer.
That's what she said, not me. Shout out Bettina. And then from there we had a dinner together.
She didn't show up.
She didn't show up to the dinner.
Yeah.
So she arranged a dinner. We were all going to go out for this nice Italian dinner, and then I see Kim out in front, and we call Bettina. She's like, "Oh, I can't make it." So me and Kim sat down and had this romantic candlelight dinner, drank 2 bottles of wine, talked about travel. Yeah. And then about a year later, we started Drifter Vans. You want to tell them how we started Drifter Vans?
Well, Drifter Van is a funny story because I think I was in France and you were in Colorado when you gave me a call.
It was.
And what did you say again? Okay, Kim. So I have an idea. It's not related to go together, but I think we should start a van company.
Let's build Campervans. Yeah. So we started marketing, and within 3 months we started building our first van together, and we brought it back to Detroit. And we've been working on Go Together and Drifter Vans ever since. So right now, Kim moved from France, and Kim's living in Detroit now. He runs the day-to-day operations of Drifter Vans, and I'm coming back and forth from Bolivia as we're testing Go Together still. So we're just working on both fronts, and we it's a good story, and we work together well. We both have different talents. Some would say that I'm more talented, but I'm a very humble man, so
just
I wouldn't say that.
Very few, so it's okay.
We are a high-end custom camper van conversion company out of Detroit, Michigan.
We take ordinary van and transform them into people's dreams.
Years back, I met Kim while backpacking through South America and instantly bonded over our passion for travel. I took this passion and brought it back home with me.
And at that point, I packed my bags and joined him in the Motor City, where we now develop luxury conversion for clients all across North America.
The most rewarding part of what we do is helping people find freedom in travel. Their stories inspire us, and we think they'll inspire you too. We believe that life is an adventure, and your van should be one too. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a full-time traveler, we will help you create the van of your dreams.
Subscribe to our channel for all our latest van tours, van build, and van life content.
Drive your dreams.